Today we want to talk about something that impacts all of our lives, stress. Keeping our stress in check is an incredibly important part of living a healthy life. So let's learn how the practice of yoga can make a big difference. Joining me today is Piper Parker from Zen Yoga Garage. And Piper, we all know that yoga has so many benefits, but it's really useful in reducing stress. Why is that?
Yoga is a great stress fighting tool for many reasons. Not only are you linking movement with breath and in that process becoming more aware of how you're feeling in that moment, but you're also placing your body in a special way. And when you're taking that mindful moment, you're in control.
To see the most benefits in stress relief, do we have to make it a regular practice, say every day, once or twice a day?
Whatever you can do. So many of us have so much going on. Any amount of time that you can spend just moving, listening to breath, checking in is very helpful. If you're connecting to breath, you're doing yoga.
So when we're talking about breathing techniques, how much does breathing matter when we're trying to reduce stress?
Physiologically, you need your breath to feel good. Breathing is involuntary. When we switch it to voluntary and control the breath, there is just such a more physiological link between all of the systems of the body. Whenever there is panic or stress or frustration, if you stop and breathe, you will most likely feel better.
So, Piper, you have some moves to show us to start our stress fighting yoga practice.
Yes. When you're strengthening the body, you are strengthening the mind, and you are more equipped to handle whatever may come your way. So let's go ahead and stand up. Bring your feet to hip width distance or even a little bit wider, and sit down into what we call a chair or Utkatasana in yoga. Bring your arms up over your head. Allow these shoulders to open heart, open mind, and stand up back to Tadasana. And let's just do that once again. Inhale, chair. Bend your knees, sink your hips back, reach your arms up, and stand up to mountain. Once again, strong and powerful like a mountain.
I think what we learned today is that incorporating yoga into our everyday can really help manage our stress.
The truth is, movement matters. And when you are moving mindfully, meditatively, connected to breath, all of the physiological systems of the body will work better and feel better. And that translates to the mind, which helps with stress relief.
Thank you, Piper. For more stress fighting motivation to move, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.